Do you have an inefficient masonry or zero clearance fireplace you'd like to upgrade? Eliminate the smoky, messy ashes and cold draft of a traditional wood-burning fireplace with a sleek Valor gas insert. Valor's gas fireplace inserts are both stylish and energy efficient, with easy-to-use comfort controls and impressive heat performance. Gas inserts are designed to be installed within an existing masonry cavity or fireplace and use the existing chimney as structure to run venting for the unit. Inserts are typically a lower cost option compared to a zero clearance renovation, completely replacing an existing fireplace or replacing your existing masonry fireplace. Versatile in their design, inserts can change the style of a room from traditional to contemporary, depending on the desired media options. All of our gas inserts utilize Valor's patented AutoFire technology. AutoFire automatically adjusts your fireplace for optimal performance and maximum efficiency, letting you sit back and enjoy your fireplace while saving money on your energy bill. No power? No problem. Designed to operate without electricity, every Valor gas fireplace insert will keep you and your family warm in the event of a power outage, thanks to efficient, radiant heat. Install a sleek Valor gas insert to provide the most efficient and controllable heat source for your home. Upgrade your home's look and feel with one of our energy-efficient fireplace inserts and experience the value of Valor.